The city woke before the sun. Cars filled the streets, horns echoed, and lights blinked like restless thoughts. Inside a small apartment, Lena tied her hair and stared at her reflection. Her eyes looked awake, but her heart still felt tired. Every morning was the same: crowded buses, loud phones, and endless meetings. She worked in a marketing office where people spoke fast and smiled even faster. That morning, her phone buzzed. A message from her old university. "We'd like you to speak at our alumni event next week." Her fingers froze. Public speaking. Just the idea made her chest tighten. She whispered, "I can't do that," then paused. "But maybe I should try." She put her phone down and looked out the window. Outside, the city kept moving. Inside, something small inside her wanted to move too. At noon, Lena was running late for a meeting. She rushed into the office elevator. The doors closed behind her. There were 5 people inside. Suddenly, with a quiet click, the lights went out. The elevator stopped. A woman gasped. Someone cursed. The air grew heavy and quiet. Lena felt her heart pound in her throat. For a few seconds, fear filled the space like smoke. Then she heard her own voice, calm and steady. "It's okay. We're safe. Let's press the alarm and wait." The red button glowed. A man near her nodded, his hands shaking. Lena smiled weakly. "Just breathe," she whispered. The silence stretched. Her breath slowed down. She realized that her hands were no longer trembling. After 10 minutes, the elevator moved again. When the doors opened, everyone hurried out. But one woman turned back and said, "You kept us calm. Thank you." Lena blinked in surprise. She hadn't done much, but maybe courage looked like that. Quiet, small, and unnoticed. That evening, Lena climbed to the rooftop of her building. The sky burned orange and pink. The noise of the city below felt far away. She opened her small notebook. The page fluttered in the wind as she wrote, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to keep moving." She closed the notebook and looked down at the lights below, each window glowing like a small life, each person fighting their own quiet battle. She smiled softly. Maybe everyone was scared. Maybe that was okay. The day of the event came faster than she expected. Lena stood behind the stage curtain, holding her notes. Her hands felt warm and cold at the same time. Her heart raced, not from danger, but from being alive. A voice called, "Next, we welcome Lena Hassan." Applause. She stepped into the light. The hall was full. Hundreds of faces, silent, waiting. Her throat tightened. For a second, she forgot every word she'd prepared. Then she remembered the elevator, the fear, the breath. She smiled. "Good evening," she said. "I used to think courage meant being fearless, but I learned it's about feeling fear and speaking anyway." As she spoke, her voice grew steadier. People leaned in. She told them about fear in small spaces, about finding calm in chaos, and about learning to listen to her own voice again. When she finished, the room was silent, then full of soft applause. Lena exhaled. For the first time, she felt truly free. That night, Lena walked home through gentle rain. The city lights shimmered on the wet pavement. She held her umbrella low and smiled at her reflection in a puddle. She whispered, "I was scared, but I did it." She passed people rushing by, faces lit by phone screens, voices lost in noise, but inside her, there was quiet. She put on her headphones, and soft music filled her ears. Every drop of rain sounded like a heartbeat. The camera of life zoomed out. A woman walking through a city that never stops, moving forward, quietly brave. Sometimes courage doesn't roar. It whispers through fear. and keeps walking.